I'm James Swartz, Principal and Managing Attorney with Swartz Swartz PC. The COVID pandemic has had a difficult impact on all of us in so many aspects of our lives. One area where it's clearly had an impact is on the roadways. Distracted driving accidents are up significantly, and there are many reasons for that, of course. Extended use of emails, texting, screens in vehicles, all of those things contribute to distracted driving accidents. But studies have shown, in addition to those things, the pandemic itself and our lives during the pandemic have also had a significant effect. We're all on video conferences, or many of us are, Zoom and otherwise. Then we hop into our cars, and maybe our attention isn't where it needs to be. Also, we've been away from the roadways for some time, many of us. We're not used to the traffic patterns. We're even not used to being in our vehicles and getting on the roadways and focusing, again, on safety issues ahead of us. Studies have shown, recent studies, that there's been a significant increase in automobile accidents as the COVID pandemic has been winding down. So what are the things to think about or be aware of? As drivers return to the road, as you're thinking about getting back to work in person, visiting family, all the kinds of things we remember doing regularly prior to the pandemic, recognize the dangers of some false confidence maybe as you get back into your vehicles. Understand that you need to protect yourself, you need to protect your passengers and others on the roadways, and be safe.